Life is full of uncertainties, and while we can't predict the future, we can certainly plan for it. In the realm of financial planning, life insurance plays a pivotal role, especially in the United States. Yet, not everyone leads a predictable life. For those grappling with higher risks due to health conditions, occupations, or lifestyle choices, finding the right life insurance can be a labyrinthine task. That's where high-risk life insurance comes into play. It's a type of coverage specifically designed for individuals who, due to various factors, are considered a higher risk by insurance companies. The importance of securing such insurance cannot be overstated. It's about safeguarding your loved ones, settling debts, and covering final expenses. Today, we delve into the intricate world of high-risk life insurance, aiming to illuminate its nuances and guide you on this complex journey. Embark on this journey with us as we demystify high-risk life insurance. To navigate the high-risk life insurance landscape, we first need a clear understanding of what it is and who it's for. High-risk life insurance is a type of policy designed for individuals who, due to various factors, are considered more likely to make a claim. This could be due to pre-existing medical conditions, high-risk occupations, or certain lifestyle choices. For instance, if you have a chronic illness like diabetes or heart disease, work in a dangerous profession such as construction or mining, or enjoy adrenaline-fueled hobbies like skydiving or motor racing, you might be considered a high-risk individual. But why is life insurance important, even for high-risk individuals? Well, life insurance is about protecting your loved ones financially. It ensures that if something were to happen to you, your dependents would be taken care of. It can cover debts, final expenses, and provide a nest egg for your family. However, there are many myths and misconceptions about high-risk life insurance. Some believe that they can't get life insurance due to their high-risk status. Others may think high-risk life insurance is prohibitively expensive. Let's debunk these myths. Firstly, while it's true that high-risk individuals may face higher premiums, it's rarely impossible to get life insurance. There are many insurance companies that specialize in high-risk policies, and with the right guidance, you can find a policy that suits your needs and budget. Secondly, while high-risk life insurance can be more expensive, there are ways to manage costs. This can include adjusting the amount of coverage, the term length, or even improving personal health or changing lifestyle factors where possible. It's also important to remember that each insurance company evaluates risk differently. So it's always a good idea to shop around and seek professional advice. With a clear understanding of high-risk life insurance, we can now delve deeper into its complexities. Many high-risk individuals have pre-existing medical conditions which can make securing life insurance more challenging. When we speak of high-risk medical conditions, we're referring to a wide range of ailments. These can range from chronic illnesses like diabetes or heart disease to more severe conditions such as cancer or terminal illnesses. Each of these conditions can significantly impact an individual's life expectancy, leading insurers to view these individuals as higher risk. Now let's talk about medical examinations and underwriting. When applying for life insurance, you may be required to undergo a medical examination. The purpose of this examination is to assess your overall health and identify any potential risks. Underwriters then use this information along with your medical history to determine your insurance rates. You might be wondering, what if I have a serious medical condition? Will I still be able to get life insurance? The answer is yes, thanks to guaranteed issue and simplified issue policies. Guaranteed issue policies are a type of life insurance that does not require a medical exam or health questionnaire. This can be a great option for those with serious health conditions. However, these policies tend to have higher premiums and lower coverage amounts. On the other hand, simplified issue policies require a health questionnaire but no medical exam. These policies offer higher coverage amounts than guaranteed issue policies, but still at a higher cost than traditional life insurance. It's important to note that while these policies can provide much-needed coverage, they also come with their own set of drawbacks. The higher premiums can be a burden, and the coverage amounts may not be as high as you'd like. It's crucial to weigh the pros and cons before deciding which policy is right for you. In conclusion, navigating the world of life insurance with a high-risk medical condition can be a daunting task. However, with a clear understanding of how medical conditions, medical examinations, and different policies affect your insurance options, you can make an informed decision that best suits your needs and protects your loved ones. Understanding how medical conditions affect life insurance is key to navigating this landscape. High-risk occupations expose individuals to danger every day, impacting life insurance options and premiums. Let's dive into the world of high-risk professions. From firefighters to construction workers, commercial fishermen to loggers, and pilots to military personnel, these brave individuals face increased risks every day. Consequently, insurers often categorize these jobs as high risk, leading to higher life insurance premiums. Nevertheless, it is essential to remember that the higher premiums reflect the increased risk, and life insurance remains a critical safety net. You may wonder, what if my job involves sporadic high-risk activities? This is where occupational hazard riders come into play. An occupational hazard rider is an add-on to a life insurance policy that provides coverage for deaths that occur due to job-related incidents. For instance, a police officer might consider an occupational hazard rider to cover potential line-of-duty incidents. While this rider can lead to higher premiums, it also provides peace of mind by ensuring comprehensive coverage. Firefighters and law enforcement professionals, listen up. Specific insurers offer tailored policies for your line of work. These policies take into account the unique risks you face, making sure you're covered when you need it the most. It's worth exploring these options and comparing them with standard policies to see which one suits your needs best. Choosing the right coverage is a balancing act. On one hand, you want to ensure you're adequately covered. On the other hand, you need to consider the cost of premiums. A good rule of thumb is to aim for a policy that covers 10 times your annual income. However, everyone's situation is unique, and it's worth consulting with a professional to assess your needs accurately. High-risk occupations don't mean life insurance is out of reach. It may require a bit more research and potentially higher premiums, but the peace of mind it brings is priceless. By understanding how occupation impacts life insurance, we can make informed decisions. So whether you're a commercial diver or a roofer, remember your job is crucial, and so is your life insurance. By understanding how occupation impacts life insurance, we can make informed decisions. Lifestyle choices can also place individuals in the high-risk category. Let's delve into this. One of the most common lifestyle factors that can affect your life insurance is smoking. Insurers often distinguish between smokers and non-smokers, with smokers usually facing higher premiums due to the associated health risks. This doesn't just apply to traditional tobacco products, but also to electronic cigarettes and other smoking alternatives. Alcohol consumption is another lifestyle factor that can impact your life insurance. Moderate drinking may not significantly affect your premiums, but heavy or problem drinking can. Insurance companies typically define heavy drinking as over 14 drinks per week for men and over 7 drinks per week for women. If you fall into this category, you may be considered a high-risk individual. And let's not forget about extreme sports. Activities like skydiving, rock climbing, or scuba diving can lead to higher life insurance premiums. While these activities can be exciting and fulfilling, they also carry a higher risk of injury or even death, which insurance companies take into account when determining your premiums. Even your diet can play a role. Obesity is often linked to a variety of health issues, and these potential health risks can lead to higher premiums. If you maintain a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise, you could potentially lower your life insurance premiums. It's important to remember that honesty is key when applying for life insurance. If you withhold information about your lifestyle and it's discovered later, it could result in a denied claim or even a cancellation of your policy. While it may be tempting to understate certain lifestyle habits to secure lower premiums, the potential consequences far outweigh any immediate savings. So whether you're a smoker, a thrill seeker, or simply enjoy a drink now and then, remember that these lifestyle choices can influence your life insurance. By considering lifestyle factors, we can better understand the complexities of high-risk life insurance. Navigating high-risk life insurance can be a complex journey, but it's a crucial part of financial planning. We've covered a lot of ground in this comprehensive guide. We started with understanding what high-risk life insurance is and who it's for. We debunked common myths and misconceptions and stressed the importance of seeking professional advice. We then dived into high-risk medical conditions, discussing the role of medical examinations and underwriting, and exploring options like guaranteed issue and simplified issue policies. We also looked at how high-risk occupations impact life insurance options and premiums, and touched on the specifics for law enforcement, firefighters, and military service personnel. Lastly, we discussed lifestyle factors that can increase risk. The journey to securing high-risk life insurance may be complex, but armed with this knowledge, you're well equipped to make informed decisions. With the right knowledge, you can secure the protection your loved ones need no matter what the future holds.